Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the ISB modem is active and you have WAN credentials. That prevents configuration loops. Next, connect the new router's WAN port to the modem via Ethernet so you get a clean, isolated network. Log into the router's admin page using the printed IP and default credentials. Change that password immediately. Once done, set a temporary SSID and WPA2/WPA3 passphrase, so the device is discoverable but secure while you continue the setup. You now choose the router operation mode based on your goal. Router for separate NAT, access point to extend the same network, or bridge for pure pass-through. Pick the one that matches your network design. Then change the LAN IP to a non-conflicting subnet and set a compact DHCP range so devices get addresses reliably. Make sure to pick clear Wi-Fi channels and appropriate channel width to reduce interference, and enable WPA2 or WPA3 to secure client connections while preserving compatibility. You finish by saving settings and rebooting both modem and router to apply changes. Then test internet on at least 2 devices to confirm the path is working. While you're here, update firmware, disable remote admin, and set a strong admin password to harden the device. If connectivity fails, power cycle modem and router in sequence, recheck WAN/DHCP settings and cables, and temporarily connect a laptop to the router's LAN to inspect the admin logs for errors. This isolates the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.